Welcome to Squad. It is Saturday. Few things to do today. I just came from my doctor's visit, but I have to go back. My plan is to pick up my duvet cover that was delivered at a Purelator place. I also want to go to IKEA to grab some stuff as well, and also to the dollar store to also grab more stuff. And I figured I'll just vlog for most of the day. I won't vlog the doctor's part because that's not really interesting, but I'll vlog going to the dollar store, IKEA, and all of that. So don't know why my voice sounds like this, but you guys enjoy the vlog and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, I hate needles. Hold on. Got blood drawn. I hate needles so much. Anyways, I'm trying to figure out what I want to do first. If I want to go to IKEA first and then go pick up the Purelator stuff. I even have to go by Shoppers Drug Mart to pick up some stuff, and the dollar store is there as well, so I'll do that after because it's closer to where I am. So let's go to IKEA. So right now I'm calling to check if I can go pick up my Purelator package, and then I'm gonna do that. I just stopped at Winners and got some resistant bands. These ones. It's 3 so that I can do workouts with resistant bands. I want to try a new routine. So yeah, I'm waiting to get through to these people to see if I can go pick that up. I'm gonna have to haul all of that stuff back in my apartment. Ain't gonna be nice. So I am back home. It's currently 2:30 right now. I don't know why I got home so late when I left the house at like 10. But I bought 3 succulents. Excuse me. So I bought 3 succulents. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. I was contemplating whether or not I should buy aloe vera plant, but I was like, maybe next time. I also bought these pots. They were for 79 cents. I am going to spray paint them gold. I also bought this like baggy thing for my groceries because once I don't have my car anymore, I'm gonna have to start taking the bus, go get my groceries. And right about now, I'm going to finish packing all of that up. It's not really windy outside. Sorry, I just fixed my AC, so now it's making noise. So what I'm going to do right now, the plastic bag that I took the pulley thing out of, I'm going to rest it out on the balcony and spray paint those 3 tin paints. I'm gonna do that quickly and then I'm gonna start editing. I have a bunch of editing stuff to do. I have pictures to edit as well as today's vlog, which I want to go up by 4, but that's not gonna happen, so it's probably gonna go up by 7 or 8. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. I got this, like, it's called Renera from IKEA, but I was just trying to fix the leaf just because I know everything was bent up in the car, so to make sure that they're lying the way that they're supposed to. I put it in that corner, but honestly it made, when I put it there to rest it down, it made that corner look so much like nice and airy feeling. So I might get another plant, but I know one of the succulents is actually going to go on my table. I also wanted to get a plant here, but I'm still conserving on cash, so I have to wait until I have a little bit more cash. I can't spend too much now because the end of the month is coming up where my first rent is gonna be due, so I need to be mindful of what I'm spending. I think I'm done with the major spending for now. Everything else I'm gonna get later on. So I'm sorry, I probably won't get up a full apartment tour, furnished apartment tour, until it's completely done. I am a perfectionist and it's not gonna happen until it's like at least perfect or near perfect, where I can bring myself to be like, okay, it's near perfect, I'll do the tour. I'm gonna hurry, do everything and put away everything and just chill for the rest of the day. I think I saved it, but this one over here is not taking it very well, and I think it's because the bottle is almost done, so I'm gonna let it dry. But over there it's like dripping. I don't know, as long as it's gold, I guess. So when I'm gonna leave that to dry about 10 minutes before I go back in and spray it over with a new bottle. So now that those are drying, this one right here looks so ranky. Like, it's not turning out as good as the other two, but that's all right. As I said, as long as it's gold, right? I'm definitely gonna put one here. I'm gonna put one here, and then I'm gonna put one at the table there. I haven't started going through that, and there's still a lot of mess on my dresser. Oh, I wanted to spray paint this scroll. Let me do that right now. Not sure what I'm gonna use this, but I'll probably put it on my desk for my pencil case and stuff, maybe. I'm gonna also spray paint this real quick. So for the meantime, I'm just gonna go ahead and edit, and hopefully I can post this in the later down in the evening. It's currently 7:43 and I'm still editing, even though the video is supposed to go up. Anyways, I'm gonna take these up and put them inside and switch them over into the pots right here. Because this is actually too low for the pot itself, I'm going to get like newspaper, put some, ooh, a bug already. Put a thing in there, and so it can be lifted up a little bit. Now, what I need to decide is which one's gonna go on the center table, which one's gonna go over there, and which one's go at the front. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I don't even know. There's garbage here, but now I gotta clean this dirt. And then that's it. I am going to continue editing. And then while I watch a show on Netflix, I might do some... Oh. Anyways, so while I watch a show on Netflix, might do some little exercises with my resistant bands. But that's it for the night. My battery's already blinking me goodbye. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to bust a like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to click the post notification bell to know whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.